Nintendo's shares rose today by $1.4 billion after what could be its most unusual announcement yet: a pile of cardboard. That seems like a joke, but that's exactly what Nintendo Labo is. A set of DIY cardboard cutouts and parts that you can use in conjunction with the Switch to create an undeniably quirky gaming experience. Craft a piano and use the Switch as a screen. Play a fishing game with a fishing rod made out of cardboard and rope. Or wear a cardboard robot backpack and fight bad guys. The Labo is obviously meant for kids as a way to infuse learning and play. Each Labo kit comes with an array of designs and parts, as well as Switch cartridges that have the software necessary to transform ordinary cardboard into gaming peripherals, which Nintendo calls Toy-Cons. The Variety Pack kit lets you build a piano, a motorcycle, and a house, while the Robot kit lets you create a wearable robot simulating suit. The caveat is that the kits are pretty pricey. The Variety Pack will retail for $70, while the Robot kit is priced at $80. It sounds pretty ridiculous, but much of the public, as well as the stock market, has reacted quite favorably to it. Labo goes on sale on April 20th in the US and April 27th in Europe. But if you want to try it out for yourself, Nintendo will hold special 3-hour Labo Studio hands-on events in New York and San Francisco in the coming months. But you can only attend if you bring a 6 to 12-year-old kid. We'll see you tomorrow for More Engadget Today.